Welcome back to JODA Decor, your cozy corner for all things vintage and beautiful. Today, we're diving into upcycled vintage decorating ideas that will transform those dusty thrift finds into stunning, one-of-a-kind treasures. Whether you're a seasoned upcycler or just getting started, these creative ideas will inspire you to see potential in the old and forgotten. If you enjoy vintage decor inspiration, make sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment with your favorite idea. We love hearing from you. Turn an old picture frame into a charming serving tray by adding handles and a sturdy backing. Choose frames with ornate detailing to add instant character. Paint or distress the wood to match your decor style, and consider inserting vintage wallpaper or fabric beneath the glass for a personal touch. Stack vintage suitcases to create a unique side table with hidden storage. They're perfect for stashing throws, books, or seasonal decor. You can leave them as is for a rustic look or repaint and decoupage for a shabby chic vibe. An old wooden ladder can become a stunning vertical shelf or towel rack. Lean it against a wall in your bathroom, kitchen, or living room and use it to display linens, books, or plants. It's functional, eye-catching, and full of vintage charm. Collect mason jars from thrift shops and turn them into romantic lanterns by adding wire handles and tea lights. Hang them from hooks, tree branches, or line them up on a mantle for soft ambient lighting that feels like a cozy memory. Vintage teacups make lovely candle holders. Simply melt wax, insert a wick, and pour it in. These delicate beauties are perfect for gifting or creating a whimsical centerpiece. Mix and match patterns for a playful, eclectic look. Old window frames make stunning wall decor. Leave the paint chippy and raw for a true farmhouse feel, or clean it up for a sleeker vintage vibe. Add mirrors, photos, or pressed flowers behind the panes to give it new life. Don't toss that orphan drawer. Mount it on the wall as a shelf or shadow box. Paint it, wallpaper the inside, and display small collectibles, plants, or vintage trinkets. It's a creative way to showcase your personality. Bend vintage forks and spoons into hooks for whimsical and functional wall rack. They work beautifully in kitchens, entryways, or craft rooms. Bonus points if you can find a mismatched set for extra charm. Frame antique doilies to create delicate and textural art pieces. Choose various sizes and colors, or dye them for a modern twist. Group them in a gallery wall for a look that's soft, vintage, and visually rich. Vintage wooden crates can be stacked or wall-mounted as bookshelves. They're perfect for adding rustic character to any room, especially when styled with old books, plants, or framed photos. Add wheels for mobility or legs for height. Turn a worn-out chair into a charming garden planter by removing the seat and placing a flower pot in its place. Paint it bright for a cottagecore look or leave it weathered for extra vintage vibes. It's a fun way to add life to your porch or garden. Salvage keys from broken typewriters and glue magnets to the back. These make adorable fridge magnets or office decor. Spell out fun words or initials. It's a great way to add personality with a vintage twist. And there you have it, 12 creative, budget-friendly ways to upcycle vintage finds into unique home decor. We hope these ideas spark your imagination and get you excited for your next thrift store adventure. Don't forget to subscribe to JODA Decor, give this video a like, and let us know in the comments which idea you'll be trying first. Until next time, keep creating and keep cherishing the charm of vintage.